loved me through my good. You loved me through my bad. You loved me through my good. And you loved me through my bad. Jesus. You didn't erase my future because of my past. I'm glad you loved me through my good and my bad. Through my good and my bad. You loved me through my good. You loved me through my bad. Didn't erase my future. Hallelujah. Because of my past. Thank you. I'm glad you loved me through my good and my bad. You loved me through my good and my bad. So glad you loved me. You loved me through my good. Never took your love away. You loved me through my bad. You didn't erase my future. Thank God you didn't write me off.
All right.
I even did some things I know you despise, God. You loved me through my good and my bad. You loved me through my good and my bad. God, I know sometimes we make you ashamed. You loved me through my good. Thank you for never giving us what we deserve. You loved me through my bad. After falling, every blessing and request that you granted, Lord, because of my past, you could have withheld, but mercy intervened. You loved me through my good. Through the rebellion, you loved me through my good. Through all of my shortcomings, you loved me through my good. And this is my favorite right here. Keep on loving me. Can somebody help me? You keep on loving me. You keep on loving me. You keep right on loving me. Through the good and the bad, you never stop loving me. Through the lessons learned, you show me. We disobey, we run away from you. Bring shame to your name, but your love remains. Who can love me like you do, Lord? What you are to me, no man could ever be. You see through every mistake, through every stumble, you prove to your children you'll always be there. Through every slip, through all of my issues, you could have been finished, you could have been gone, but you stood up with me. Kept on teaching me, kept on loving me. You love me through my good, through my bad. Oh, didn't erase my future because of my past. I'm glad you love me.